Great intranet design all starts with the homepage. And in this video, I'm going to show you 10 amazing real-world examples of intranet homepages that have fantastic design, have the right features that will really drive adoption and make employees want to visit it on a daily basis. Number 1, the balanced intranet homepage. A personalised greeting helps make the intranet feel less corporate and also indicates that this is a personalised experience. The news is displayed prominently to support internal communications, with an alert at the top for immediate operational or urgent messages. The My Apps area provides a personalised launchpad to key apps and tools and to help employees complete their day-to-day work and drive productivity. Tasks are highlighted in the dashboard section to help employees get things done, in this case leveraging the Viva Connections dashboard feature. A middle panel provides a personalised overview of key tasks that employees need to complete, including relating to individual and team learning, as well as policies that must be read. A My News area presents personalised news relevant to the individual, which is important for intranet adoption and valuable in highly diverse workforces. Collaboration, discussion and dialogue is supported by the Engage panel, which highlights activity from within Viva Engage communities. Number 2, the Knowledge Collection intranet. A prominent search box encourages users to search for documents and through knowledge collections. There's a link to a more advanced search as well for convenience. A Go-To section provides links to key knowledge collections or resources by topic, providing an opportunity to discover knowledge items or to find what someone needs through browsing. A significant proportion of the homepage is dedicated to personalised access to knowledge, including collections of knowledge, previous searches, personalised recommendations based on role, preferences and previous searches, as well as a curated set of resources. Calls to action encourage users to add knowledge to the collection as well as share useful feedback for improvement. Number 3, the Daily Work intranet homepage. In this example, we see there's a custom-built system status web part giving RAG or red, amber, green status updates on key software platforms. Also, there's a personalised feed from Viva Engage surfacing the latest conversations that are going on across different working groups or communities. A personalised My Workspaces area links through to the SharePoint team sites or even Microsoft Teams spaces where collaborative work is carried out on different projects. Number 4, the Social Hub. In this example, we see the intranet page has a distinctive look and feel and uses highly attractive imagery, aligning with the organisation's brand and helping employees to connect with it. News and promoted content is presented in an eye-catching way in the hero. Internal conversations from Viva Engage are highlighted within the Conversation section. The feed can be targeted to different groups for relevance. Events are also prominently displayed, encouraging registrations and again stressing participation. Number 5, the Subject Hub. A visually striking carousel links through to headline content, prominent reference information and major updates. Featured resources including story updates and knowledge collections on the topic, with indicators of the number of likes and comments to reflect their popularity. A notice board feature presents the latest subject-specific quick updates aggregated from different sites across the intranet. The most viewed and downloaded items are also displayed to drive engagement. Show More and View More buttons allow the user to view more content, ensuring the initial homepage experience remains focused and uncluttered. Number 6, the Getting Things Done intranet. A welcome bar at the top includes a link to an intranet tour, which automatically loads when an employee first visits the intranet and walks people through the main features and the information that can be found. The homepage leverages the Viva Connections dashboard to deliver a common tasks panel to highlight key things that you might need to do, such as logging an IT ticket, and to highlight key activity in other platforms, meaning that you can see things from other software and tools without having to actually go to them. A searchable database of How Do I information provides succinct information on how to get things done across a wide variety of topics, helping to streamline and standardise processes and supporting productivity. The How Do I information is also targeted based on an employee's profile, so people see the right process information based on their location, for example. Personalised links to relevant pages also mean employees can reach the apps, sites or pages that they frequently need access to or refer to in getting things done. A handy people search allows a quick search of employee profiles to help contact the right person. Other features such as news and events also ensure the intranet continues to keep people informed and support engagement. Number 7, the News Centre. In this example, the header displays local weather, the stock price, but also local time across a number of key locations. There's major news from across markets, and in the layout of this page there are more news items than on home pages, which tend to be dominated by a carousel and where items can sometimes get lost. Engagement data such as views, comments and reactions indicate the most popular items. A separate feed of London news is personalised to the location of the user based on their profile. A special area for operational announcements is also shown underneath the news and can be targeted. For example, it could be saying that there will be fire alarm testing in a particular office. The News Centre is also balanced by more how-to and operational related content in the lower half of the homepage, including a database of I need to information on how to complete key tasks, as well as links to apps and resources. Number 8, the Community Hub. A large news carousel at the top gives plenty of room for rich imagery and showcasing the company's brand and products. A stock price widget is neatly integrated inside the news carousel so as not to constrain the impact of the look and feel. The events feed is standard SharePoint, but brought to life by the playful iconography and colour selection. A large proportion of the homepage is given to a feed of content from the company's external social media feeds, making a point that what the organisation says to those outside is just as relevant to those inside. Number 9, the Field Worker. Optimised for use in the field with tablets and smartphones, this SharePoint intranet design is practical and accessible, making it perfect for industries like construction or field services. The icon-based app launcher dominates the homepage experience, but avoids being cumbersome by including a contextual quick search feature similar to that found on smartphones. The apps and services presented to the employee are targeted based on their role. Employees can also customise the launcher just as they would customise the home screen on their phone or tablet. Number 10, the dashboard. This SharePoint intranet example is ideal for fast-paced environments, providing quick access to essential functions and tools. The more traditional fare of global news and personalised quick links is still a feature, but as we go down the page we see personalisation features like the welcome bar and various search tools which not only cover colleagues and how do I guidance, but also a parts finder, something more specific to the needs of this particular organisation. A milestones dashboard gives a snapshot of where the company sits with different deliveries. And a task list acts as a mini to-do for each employee, nestled conveniently alongside the other information. If you're interested in just working out where you are today with your intranet and how it's performing in different areas, use our intranet health check. There's a link in the video description. It will give you an overview of how you're performing in different areas and some tips on what to do to improve things.